بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، ہسٹری کلاس سیٹ جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کے یونٹ نمبر 1 کی یا چیپٹر نمبر 1 کی آج کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے۔ اچھا، ان کویسچن آنسرس میں پہلے وہ کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، وہ ان کویسچنس کے آنسر کریں گے، اور پھر اس کے بعد میں نے اپنی طرف سے شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی تیار کیے ہیں، تو پھر وہ آخر میں کریں گے۔ اچھا، تو اس یونٹ نمبر 1 کا نام ہے ارائیول آف دی برٹش ان دا سب کنٹیننٹ۔ اچھا، تو پہلے نمبر پہ ہے گیو شارٹ آنسرس آف دی فالوئنگ۔ کویسچن نمبر 1، ہو اسٹیبلشڈ دی ایسٹ انڈیا کمپنی؟ تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی ایسٹ انڈیا company was established by a group of English merchants in 1600 during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I to trade with the East. Question number 2. Who won the Battle of Plassey and how? تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی برٹش ایسٹ انڈیا کمپنی لیڈ بائی رابرٹ کلائیو won the Battle of Plassey in 1757 by bribing Mir Jafar, a commander of Nawab Siraj Dowlah's army, to betray his Nawab. اچھا، question number 3. Describe the immediate cause of the War of Independence. تو اس کا آنسر ہے the immediate cause of the War of Independence 1857 was the introduction of new cartridges greased with cow and pig fat, which hurt the religious feelings of Hindu and Muslim soldiers. Question number 4. Explain the doctrine of lapse policy. تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی ڈاکٹرین آف لیپس پالیسی introduced by Lord Dalhousie stated that if an Indian ruler died without a natural heir, his state would be annexed by the British. Question number 5. What was the incident of Black Hole? اس کا آنسر ہے دی بلیک ہول انسیڈنٹ occurred in 1756 when Nawab Siraj-ud-Dowlah's soldiers locked British prisoners in a small room in Fort William, Kolkata, causing many deaths due to suffocation. اچھا، تو کتاب میں پیر دیے گئے ہیں یہ جو لانگ کویسچن ہے، رائٹ دی آنسرس آف دی فالوئنگ ان ڈیٹیل۔ تو کویسچن نمبر 1، رائٹ اے نوٹ آن ایسٹ انڈیا کمپنی۔ تو اس کا آنسر ہے The East India Company was founded by a group of English merchants in 1600 during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I. Its main purpose was to promote trade with the East, especially India. At first, the company came only for business purposes and established trading centers at Surat, Madras, Bombay, and Kolkata. Gradually, the company started interfering in Indian politics. It took advantage of the weakness of local rulers and used its army to gain control over large areas. The Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar 1764 helped the British to become the real rulers of Bengal and later the whole subcontinent. Thus, a trading company turned into a political power and laid the foundation of British rule in India. اچھا، question number 2. Write the causes of the War of Independence. تو اس کا آنسر ہے The War of Independence of 1857 was a major revolt against British rule. It started because of political, economic, social, religious, and military reasons. Number 1, political causes. The British ended the rule of many Indian princes through the doctrine of lapse and other unfair policies. Acha, 2, economic causes. Heavy taxes, destruction of local industries, and loss of jobs made people poor and angry. Number 3, social and religious causes. The Indian believed the British wanted to destroy their religion and culture. Number 4, military causes. Indian soldiers were treated unfairly and paid less than the British soldiers. Number 5, immediate cause. The use of greased cartridge made of cow and pig fat hurt both Hindu and Muslim religious feelings, which led to the outbreak of a war. The war began in Meerut in 1857 and soon spread to many parts of India. अच्छा, अब है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. डिस्क्राइब द रोल ऑफ मीर जाफर इन द बैटल ऑफ पलासी. तो इसका आंसर है द बैटल ऑफ पलासी वाज फॉट इन 1757 बिटवीन नवाब सिराजुद्दौला ऑफ बंगाल एंड द ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी लेड बाय रॉबर्ट क्लाइव. मीर जाफर, who was a commander in the Nawab's army, was secretly in contact with the British. He was promised the throne of Bengal if he helped them win the battle. During the war, Mir Jafar did not fight properly and betrayed his Nawab. Because of his treachery, Nawab Sirajuddaulah was defeated and later killed. As a result, Mir Jafar became the puppet Nawab under British control, and the British established their political power in Bengal. His betrayal marked the beginning of British rule in India. Question number 4. Write down the doctrine of lapse and its effects. Answer. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie, the Governor General of India. According to this policy, if a ruler of a princely state died without a natural male heir, his state would be annexed by the British instead of allowing an adopted son to rule. Many Indian states such as Satara, Jhansi and Nagpur were taken over by the British under this policy. तो इसके effects क्या थे? Indian rulers lost their independence and territories. The policy created deep anger and resentment among the Indian princes. It became one of the major political causes of the War of Independence in 1857 because the Indian rulers no longer trusted the British. Question number 5. Describe about the causes of the Battle of Buxar and its result. Answer. The Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764 between the British East India Company and the combined forces of Mir Qasim, yani Nawab of Bengal, Shujauddaulah, Nawab of Oudh, and Shah Alam II, Mughal emperor. तो इसके causes क्या थे? After becoming Nawab, Mir Qasim tried to free himself from British control. He recognized his army and stopped the unfair trade privileges of the British. This angered the company and a war broke out between them. तो इसके results क्या थे? The British won the Battle of Buxar and became the supreme power in Bengal. The Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II gave the Diwani, yani right to collect revenue of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha to the East India Company. This victory made the British the real rulers of India, while the Indian rulers became dependent and powerless. तो अब वो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन मैं दे रहा हूँ जो मैंने खुद अपनी तरफ से तैयार किए हैं. तो पहले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. When was the East India Company established? Answer. The East India Company was established in 1600 during the reign of Queen Elizabeth I. Question 2. What was the main purpose of the East India Company? Answer. Its main purpose was to promote trade with India and other eastern countries. Question 3. Where did the British first set up their trading centers? Answer. They set up trading centers at Surat, Madras, Bombay and Kolkata. Question number 4. Who was the Nawab of Bengal during the Battle of Palasi? Answer. The Nawab of Bengal was Sirajuddaulah during the Battle of Palasi. Question number 5. Who led the British forces in the Battle of Palasi? Answer. Robert Clive led the British forces in the Battle of Palasi. Question number 6. When did the Battle of Buxar take place? इसका आंसर है The Battle of Buxar took place in 1764. Question number 7. Name the Indian rulers who fought against the British in the Battle of Buxar. तो इसका आंसर है मीर कासिम, Shujaudawla and Shah Alam II fought against the British. Question 8. What was the immediate cause of the War of Independence in 1857? इसका आंसर है The immediate cause was the use of greased cartridge made from cow and pig fat. Question number 9. Who introduced the doctrine of lapse? Answer. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. Question 10. What was the result of the Battle of Buxar? Answer. The British won the battle and got the Devani, yani right to collect revenue of Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. अच्छा, अब लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. राइट ए नोट ऑन द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी एंड इट्स एक्सपेंशन इन इंडिया. इसका आंसर है द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी वाज फाउंडेड इन 1600 by English merchants to trade with the East. It established trading centers in Surat, Madras, Bombay and Kolkata. After the decline of the Mughal Empire, the company began interfering in Indian politics. It used its army to gain control over Indian territories. The Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar made the British the rulers of Bengal. By making alliances and using unfair policies, the company gradually extended its control over almost the entire subcontinent. Question 2. Explain the causes of the War of Independence in 1857. Answer. The War of Independence started due to political, economic, social, religious, and military reasons. Political. The British annexed Indian states through unfair means such as the doctrine of lapse. Economic. Heavy taxes and destruction of industries caused poverty. Religious. People feared that the British wanted to destroy their religion. Military. Indian soldiers were treated badly and paid less. Immediate cause. The use of greased cartridge hurt religious feelings and led to the revolt. This war was the first major attempt by Indians to free their country from British rule. Question number 3. What was the role of Mir Jafar in the Battle of Plassey? Answer. In the Battle of Plassey 1757, Mir Jafar was a commander in the army of Nawab Sirajuddaulah. He secretly joined hands with the British, who promised to make him the Nawab after their victory. During the battle, Mir Jafar did not support Sirajuddaulah, which caused the Nawab's defeat. After the battle, Mir Jafar was made Nawab of Bengal, but he acted only as a puppet of the British. His betrayal helped the British establish their political power in India. Question number 5. What was the doctrine of lapse? What were its effects? Answer. The doctrine of lapse was introduced by Lord Dalhousie. It stated that if a ruler died without a natural male heir, his state would be taken over by the British instead of giving it to an adopted son. Effects. Many Indian states such as Satara, Jhansi and Nagpur were annexed. Indian rulers lost their trust and power. The policy created anger and unrest among Indian princes and became a major cause of the War of Independence 1857. Question number 5. Describe the causes and results of the Battle of Buxar. इसका आंसर है The Battle of Buxar 1764 was fought between the British East India Company and the combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shujaudawla and Shah Alam II. Causes. Mir Qasim tried to free himself from British control. He stopped British trade privilege and recognized his army. This made the British angry, leading to war. Results. The British defeated the combined forces. After the battle, the Mughal Emperor Shah Alam II gave the company the right to collect revenue in Devani from Bengal, Bihar and Odisha. This victory made the British the real rulers of India and ended the independence of Bengal. تو ڈیئر اسٹوڈنٹس، امید کرتا ہوں کہ یہ کویشچن آنسرز آپ لوگوں کو پسند آئے ہوں گے۔ ایگزام میں انشاءاللہ انہی کویشچن آنسرز میں سے آئیں گے یونٹ 1 کے۔ یونٹ 1 سے اگر کوئی کویشچن آنسرز آتے ہیں تو لازمی طور پر آئیں گے کویشچن آنسرز یونٹ نمبر 1 سے، تو ان کویشچن آنسرز کو آپ لوگوں نے یاد کرنے ہیں، سمجھنے ہیں۔ تو پھر بھی اگر آپ لوگوں کو ان کا سمجھ نہ آیا ہو تو بلا جھجک کمنٹ سیکشن میں مجھ سے پوچھ سکتے ہیں۔ یہاں پہ میں اپنا واٹس ایپ نمبر بھی دے رہا ہوں، تو اس پہ بھی ڈائریکٹ آپ لوگ مجھ سے رابطہ کر سکتے ہیں۔ آپ لوگوں سے ریکویسٹ ہے کہ اس چینل کو بھی لازمی سبسکرائب کرنا ہے۔ اچھا، اگر یہ کویشچن آنسرز آپ لوگوں کو PDF فارمیٹ میں چاہیے تو مجھ سے اس واٹس ایپ نمبر پہ، یہ جو 0334824276 تو اس واٹس ایپ نمبر پر پھر مجھ سے رابطہ کرنا ہے۔ لیکن اس سے پہلے آپ لوگوں نے ایک چھوٹا سا کام کرنا ہوگا، اس چینل کو سبسکرائب کرنا ہوگا اور اس کا پھر اسکرین شاٹ مجھے بھیج دیجیے گا۔ پھر میں آپ لوگوں کو یہ جو کویشچن آنسرس ہے ان کو میں PDF فارمیٹ میں پھر اسی واٹس ایپ نمبر پہ آپ لوگوں کو بھیج دوں گا۔ تو انشاءاللہ ملیں گے یونٹ نمبر 2 کے کویشچن آنسرس کے ساتھ۔ اس وقت تک اجازت چاہتا ہوں، اللہ حافظ۔